How to generate code without conversation history in Lovable.dev, and if this is even possible. So this video will be somewhat just like an explanation, including alternatives, which we will just explain as well. So since Lovable doesn't really have a built-in fresh code only generator that ignores your chat history automatically, this won't be possible since Lovable is chat-based. It uses the context from your current session and project history unless you actively clear or start a new context. So if you want to generate a new code without all their messages influencing the AI, you're gonna typically need to start a new project. You're gonna have to delete whatever you're going for once you have copied the code, of course, and use a remix or a new workplace so that the AI has no previous context. So again, there isn't a setting to turn off history for a single prompt. The system will always consider context by default until it's cleared or reset. So if you don't want history in Lovable.dev, you can generate the code, copy it, and paste it wherever you want. But after doing so, just go ahead and delete the conversation itself. So basically, you'll have to delete or reset the conversation or start fresh if you want truly context-free code generation. But hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.